Fortunately, innovative minds have crafted a solution to all of these problems. The tactical wallet. This isn't just any wallet. It's your everyday superhero, disguised as an elegant accessory, crafted from durable materials, including aluminum, stainless steel, and nylon. This wallet is a multi-tool marvel. It boasts a built-in glass cutter, a handy carabiner eyelet, and a trusty bottle opener, making it a Swiss Army knife of wallets. But that's not all. This wallet is a beacon of hope in the darkest of moments. It comes equipped with a powerful flashlight, with up to 3 hours of continuous light on a single charge. It'll guide your way through any situation. Your personal information is precious, and this wallet takes your security seriously. It includes RFID card protection, keeping your data safe from potential threats. Need to get someone's attention? Activate the strobe mode, a feature that can prove to be a lifesaver in emergencies. Whether you're on an adventure, facing a daily challenge, or preparing for the unexpected, this wallet has your back. Don't let life's surprises catch you off guard. Be prepared with the ultimate tactical wallet. Imagine a world where clean, purified water is just a reach away, no matter where you are. A world where the pristine beauty of nature meets the latest in water purification technology. Innovative water filter. A game changer in the world of outdoor adventures. A water filter that not only eliminates bacteria, viruses, and parasites but also reduces water radioactivity. It's not just a filter. It's your companion for those unforgettable moments in the great outdoors. One notable feature of this device is its dual cartridge system, a technological marvel that ensures clean, safe water every time. With a combined capacity of 1,135 liters in purifying water at a rate of approximately 500 milliliters per minute, you can trust that your hydration needs will always be met. But that's not all. WaterOne provides you with a range of accessories, making it incredibly convenient for use during hikes, camping trips, and any outdoor activity. The filter's compact, portable design ensures that you can carry it with ease, and it won't weigh you down during your adventures. It's the perfect companion for the modern explorer. Stay hydrated, stay safe, and stay ready for your next adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting innovations from the coolest gadget world. Meet the ultimate survival companion. A shovel so versatile, it's like something out of a hero's arsenal, measuring just under a meter. This remarkable piece can replace up to 21 different tools. Yes, you heard that right, 21. It's not just a shovel, it's your survival Swiss Army knife. Need a saw? It's got you covered. A knife? No problem. Even a bottle opener for those well-deserved campfire celebrations. Crafted this masterpiece from a blend of 440C steel and 6063 aluminum alloy, ensuring it's tough enough to withstand the harshest conditions nature can throw at it. But wait, there's more. For those who prefer something more compact, we've got you covered too. Introducing the S-sized version, measuring just 60 centimeters in length. It may be smaller, but it's not short on features. This little powerhouse is designed to be your trusty sidekick on any adventure. So, whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a survivalist, or simply an adventurer, this shovel is your ultimate companion. Don't miss out on the tool that's changing the game. This compass we're about to unveil showcases their unwavering commitment to quality. It's a testament to the fascination with British history and craftsmanship. Every aspect has been carefully considered. For instance, it features glow-in-the-dark dials, ensuring it remains your guiding light even in the darkest of times. Its case is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, protecting the compass against both water and sand, making it a reliable companion on your adventures. And here's the exciting part. You have a choice. Choose between a brass compass weighing 112 grams, or a lightweight titanium one at just 65 grams. This compass is a piece of history that you can hold in your hand. Zippo is not only skilled at creating timeless lighters, they've also mastered the art of crafting various tools. One remarkable example is their multifunctional axe. It's not just any axe, it's a masterpiece in itself. Behold the Zippo axe. It's equipped with a saw, a hammer, and even a hook function. This versatile tool is a must-have for adventurers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who values quality craftsmanship. The axe measures a sturdy 450 millimeters in length, with a 127mm blade that's as sharp as it gets. But wait, there's more. It also features a 381mm saw blade for those times when you need to cut through the toughest materials. Now, one of the most impressive aspects is its polymer handle. Thanks to this innovation, the Zippo axe weighs less than 2 kilograms, making it incredibly portable and user-friendly. Whether you're out in the wild, camping under the stars, or simply tackling some DIY projects at home, the Zippo axe is your trusty companion. The Endure pen in all its glory, showing its titanium body and the various survival components. This ingeniously designed masterpiece combines a strand of tinder, a fire starter, a flare launcher, and a versatile spike, perfect for digging or breaking glass, and the best part. It also includes a full meter of paracord, all neatly encased in that elegant titanium body. Now, you might be wondering, how heavy is this ultimate survival companion? The Endure pen weighs approximately 70 grams, making it the perfect addition to any adventurer's arsenal. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things adventure and innovation. In the realm of Asgard, a tale of craftsmanship unfolds. To the realm of Asgard, they drew inspiration from Thor's hammer. Although these pendants are crafted from titanium, not Uru metal, the larger pendant is called Thor, while the smaller one is called Loki. These pendants offer a versatile design. They can serve as stylish jewelry for parties, and a handy tool for hikes. Additionally, these pendants are lightweight. For example, the Loki model weighs just 4 grams. They are also waterproof, and complement each other nicely. This miniature power station is set to redefine how we harness electricity. It can literally bring electricity to places that have never had it before. Just picture this. A device about the size of a water bottle. You take it, and you place it into the nearest stream. And here's the magic. Its 6,400 mAh battery will fully charge in approximately 4.5 hours. That's right, in no time at all. The device's power output ranges from a remarkable 2.5 to 5 watts. It's incredible how something so small can pack such a punch. But that's not all. What sets the Nomad power station apart is its weight. At just 800 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it perfect for adventurers and explorers. And the best part? It all starts at a price of only $180, affordable and innovative. It's the perfect combination. The most incredible innovation in crossbows, the pistol crossbow. This lightweight wonder, weighing just 1.2 kilograms when fully equipped, has earned the prestigious title of being the fastest multi-shot crossbow available. Imagine having the power to empty a 6-arrow magazine in as little as 20 seconds during target shooting. It's not a dream. It's the reality with the pistol crossbow. Its versatile arrow range makes it suitable for recreational shooting, sports, and even hunting. You can easily hit a target, say a rabbit, from a distance of around 15 meters. But wait, there's more. The pistol crossbow is all about customization and adaptability. It comes with Picatinny rails, allowing you to add laser designators, flashlights, and other accessories, turning your crossbow into the ultimate precision instrument. So, whether you're a sports enthusiast looking to enhance your shooting skills, or a hunting aficionado seeking the perfect gear, the pistol crossbow has you covered. It's more than just a crossbow. It's a game changer in the world of archery. Camillus boasts a long and storied history, dating all the way back to 1876. They are one of the oldest and most revered knife manufacturers in the world. This time, they've pushed the boundaries of innovation, taking a regular machete and transforming it into a versatile tool capable of handling a multitude of essential tasks. The Camillus machete is a game changer, with a total length of 46 centimeters and a 30.5 centimeter blade. It's your ultimate companion in the great outdoors. Crafted from high-quality 420-grade steel and coated with titanium, this blade is not only sharp but also 3 times harder than its typical counterparts. But that's not all. When you invest in a Camillus machete, you also get a universal knife, complete with its own sheath. It's the perfect addition to your outdoor gear collection, from slicing through overgrown trails to digging trenches for your campsite and even gutting the catch of the day. This machete does it all with ease.